Good afternoon, students. Again, we will learn about estimation of numbers. We have estimate the numbers in tens, hundreds, thousands place. Now, and also estimating the numbers by using the addition and subtraction. Subtraction not done, only addition we have. Now, we will see some examples of subtractions. Estimate 5673 minus 436. Here one number is given in up to thousands place and another number is given in up to 100 place. Means we have to estimate both the numbers to 100 place. See, while estimating the 100 place, we have to underline the numbers to up to 100 place. First number is 5673. That 673 in which numbers, means in which two numbers it will come, that we have to see first. 5000, it comes 5673, it will come in between 5600 and 5700. We are estimating the numbers to 100 place. See, 5673 means it comes in between 5600 and 5700. Means 5673 in which side it comes, that we are going to see. 5600 and 5700, in between the middle number coming 5650. That 673 it moved towards the 5700. Means the estimating 100 place value of 5673 is 5700 minus another number is 436. Means it comes in between 400 and 500. In between 450 number coming, 436 come to the left hand side, means it comes nearer to the 400. Means 436 nearest value is, that is 400. Now we are going to subtract these numbers. That is 5700 minus 400. 5700 minus 400, that is equal to 5300 is our answer. Like this, we are estimating the sum and differences of the numbers. And now, to estimate the products, how we will estimate the product of the numbers, that we will see by example only. For example, 19 and 78 is there. 19 and 78. We are going to multiply these two numbers. We have to estimate this number to tens place. First, 19 is the number. 19 it comes in between 10 and 20. 10 and 20 means 19 is nearer to 20 number. Means 19's estimating value is 20 into 78. Another number is 78. 78 is becomes in between 70 and 80. 70 and 80. And this 78 number is nearer to 80. Means that estimating value is 80. Now we are going to multiply that numbers 20 and 80. That is 600 is the answer. Like this, we are estimating the product of the numbers. Another one example, that is 87 into 133. Here one number is 87 and another number is 133. Means here 2 digits are there and in another number 3 digits are there. Means we have to estimate these numbers to tens place first. That is 87 estimating number to the tens place is, it comes in between 80 and 90. That 87 is nearer to 90, means 87 nearest value is 90 into 133. This is the 3 digits number. We have to estimate to tens place, means we have to consider 33 number. We don't consider 1, we only consider 33. Means 33 comes in between 30 and 40. That 33 is nearer to 30 number, not 40. 33 is nearer to 30 only. That is 130. 133 is nearer to 130. Now we are going to multiply these two numbers. That is 130 into 90. That is 1170. That is 1170 is our answer. Like this we are estimating the product of the numbers. Now how to expand the brackets, that we will see. How to expand the brackets by using the numbers. One example is 7 into 109. 7 into 109. That 7 is, I am keeping as it is. That 109 I am going to expand. Means I am separating that 109 to 100 plus 9. 100 plus 9. 100 plus 9 is equal to 109. Only I am expanding that number. We are what we are doing, expanding the brackets we are doing now. For that 109 I am going to expand, that is in the bracket 100 plus 9 I am going to write. See, bracket means always you have to remember that it is sign of multiplication. Means 7 is in the multiplication with the bracket. So I am going to multiply 7 to the bracket now. That first number is 100. 7 into 100. See, if plus is there, we have to see the signs multiplication. If minus coming, then also the different answers are coming. So here plus is there. Before 7 also plus is there and before 9 also plus is there. Means plus into plus is always plus only. That there are 4 signs rules that we have to keep in mind first. That is first one is plus into plus is always gives plus sign only. Then plus into minus. When you are multiplying plus sign to minus sign, it will give minus sign. Again, when you are multiplying minus sign to plus sign, it will give minus sign. Again, last one, that is minus into minus. When you are multiplying minus to minus, then it will give us a plus sign. These 4 signs we have to keep in mind. Here, in the example, before 7 plus sign is there and before 9 is also plus sign is there. Means plus into plus is a plus. 7 nines are 63. 7 nines are 63. That we have to write. Now 7 into 100 is 700 plus 63 is equal to 763. See, in the examples what they have given, 7 into 109. when multiplying these two numbers we will get the same answer, that is 763, and when expanding the brackets and multiplying the brackets to that number, again that the same answer we will get in. So we are expanding the brackets by using and multiplying these numbers using the brackets like this. Again one more example. 102 into 103. See here both the numbers are 3 digits numbers. When you are multiplying these two numbers, it goes on lengthy. For that we are using the simple method, that is expanding the brackets. How? That 1 or 2 I am going to write as 102, 100 and plus 2. 100 and plus 2. And 103 I am going to write as 103, 100 and plus 3. Here I am getting two brackets, that are 100 plus 2 in one bracket and 100 plus 3 in another bracket. Now we are multiplying these brackets. First take 100 in the first bracket and multiply this 100 to the next bracket, that is 100 and plus 3. What will remain in the first bracket, that we have to see, that is 100 when, and what will remain, plus 2. Plus 2 we are keeping as it is, and again we are multiplying plus 2 to the next bracket, same bracket, that is 100 plus 3. Now we are multiplying, see, bracket means, already I have told, bracket means multiplication. 100 into 100. 100 into 100. See, before 100 we have the sign plus, and we are going to multiply 100 to in the bracket plus 3. That means 3 is already having plus signs, means plus into plus is plus only. 100 into 3. 100 into 3. In the next step, plus 2 I am going to multiplying to the next bracket, that is 100 plus 3. Plus sign I am keeping as it is. 2 I am going to multiply to the 100, that is 2 into 100. See, here plus 2 is there in the bracket plus 3. Bracket means we are multiplying plus into plus. We are multiplying the signs first. Plus into plus is plus only. 2 into 3. What will remain next? 2 into 3. Now we will multiply, and whatever the answer coming we are writing now. 100 into 100, that is 10,000, plus 100 into 3 is 300, plus 2 into 100 is 200, plus 2 3s are 6. Now we are adding these all the numbers, that is 10,000, next 300, next 200, last one is 6, that is 10,506. We are found this by using the brackets. Directly we will multiply 102 and 103, we will getting the same answer, and when expanding the brackets, the same answer we will getting. Like this we are multiplying or estimating the product of the numbers. Some more examples we will see in our next class. Thank you.